welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're opening Playmobil figures. We have 5 different series. Girls Series 10, we have 2 packs. Girls Series 12, we have 2 packs. Boys Series 13, we have 1. Boys Series 10, we have 1. Boys Series 12, and then we have 2. So today we're going to be opening all of these. So let's start with this. Cameraman, come in. Now something you have to help me. My hair. I can't put on the hair. Not this. Playmobil, I say. Because it's super hard and I don't put on 50% of Playmobil hair. Oh, we have to put this. Oh yeah, it's like this. And then you put the legs pieces right here.
Yes.
How do you put this? Do I know this when I was little?
First, you put it here first, and then it's put here.
Oh. And then we need to put the hands. And then the head. We gotta make a sound.
You click that.
Done?
Yeah, kind of.
And then put her hair. Oh no. Yes.
Yes, you make it.
And got her hat. And then, why does she have so much bows? Is it for her cake?
No, you're for the bow. You see?
Yes, I said. For the cake, right?
Yep.
There's no extra pieces here.
Sometimes you get extra pieces.
But now you don't. I don't know why. Because they forgot. I have to
Oh
put
yeah,
this
you
thing.
forgot that collar.
Mong gay joy.
Yeah, I guess it's done.
And it has to
Yeah, she's a nice baker.
hold. We have to take the cake off. We gotta let her hold the tray first until she knows how to hold it. And you have to put the cake on and balance it. So that's gonna be super hard for me, but it's okay because I made with one hand.
Yeah, you make it now. And you take it out.
Because it's not stable. Yay! I got it!
Yeah.
Let's see if I'm right. But it's stable in the picture. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna put it back. So let's open the other one.